Welcome to Wings of Fire Dreams. Today we are going to see the most expected questions from the topic Constitution of India. First question. Before the independence of India, Dadra and Nagar Haveli were under the administrative control of option A English, option B French, option C Portuguese, option D Afghans. Answer option C Portuguese. Second question. Who among the following was the first Chief Justice of India and assumed office on 26 Jan 1950? Option A Meher Chand Mahajan, option B Patanjali Shastri, option C Harilal Kania, option D B.K. Mukherjee. Answer option C Harilal Kania. Third question. Which constitutional article lays down the provision for a national commission for SC and ST? Option A Article 337, option B Article 334, option C Article 338, option D Article 339. Answer option C Article 338. Fourth question. Which community gets special provision for central services in Article 336? Option A Sikh community, option B Muslim community, option C Hindu community, option D Anglo-Indian community. Answer option D Anglo-Indian community. Fifth question. National Commission for SC and ST shall be made by which constitutional institution? Option A Parliament, option B Executive, option C Judiciary, option D State Legislature. Answer option A Parliament. Sixth question. Under Constitutional Article 343, which is the official language of the Union? Option A Urdu, option B Hindi, option C English, option D BNC. Answer option D BNC. Seventh question. Which article defines the Panchayat Raj? Option A 243O, option B 243A, option C 243, option D 243I. Answer option C 243. Eighth question. Which constitutional article define municipalities? Option A Article 243P, option B Article 243Q, option C Article 243T, option D Article 343U. Answer option A Article 243P. The Constitution of India was drafted and enacted in which language? Option A Hindi, option B English, option C Tamil, option D Telugu. Answer option B English. 10th question. Total number of schedule in Constitution of India is option A 22, option B 17, option C 97, option D 12. Answer option D 12. 11th question. Constitution of India was enacted by the Constituent Assembly on option A 26 January 1950, option B 26 November 1949, option C 20 November 1950, option D 20 January 1949. Answer option B 26 November 1949. 12th question. Constitution of India came into effect on option A 26 January 1950, option B 26 November 1949, option C 20 November 1950, Option D 20th January 1949. Answer. Option A 26th January 1950. 13th question. The Constitution declares India to be a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic assuring its citizens of justice, equality and liberty and endeavors to promote fraternity among them. The words socialist and secular were added to the definition in year. Option A 1956, Option B 1976, Option C 1970, Option D 1952. Answer. Option B 1976. 14th question. The total number of 6 fundamental rights in Constitution of India is Option A 12, Option B 5, Option C 6, Option D 8. Answer. Option C 6. 15th question. Indian Independence Act passed by the British Parliament on Option A 18 July 1947, Option B 20th July 1947, Option C 14 August 1947, Option D 20th July 1946. Answer. Option A 18 July 1947. 16th question. Who represented Parsis community in Constituent Assembly? Option A H.P. Modi, Option B Frank Anthony, Option C Kannayalal Munshi, Option D James Franklin. Answer. Option B Frank Anthony. 17th question. Who represented Paris community in Constituent Assembly? Option A H.P. Modi, Option B Frank Anthony, Option C Harida Kumar Mukherjee, Option D Benegal Narsingh Rao. Answer. Option C Harendra Kumar Mukherjee. 18th question. For the members of Parliament in India, who determines the salaries and allowances from time to time? Option A Union Cabinet, Option B Ministry of Parliament Affairs, Option C Cabinet Secretariat, Option D Parliament by law. Answer. Option D Parliament by law. 19th question. Who was the Prime Minister of India when a constitutional status for the Panchayati Raj and the urban self-governing institutions was accorded? Option A Indira Gandhi, Option B Rajiv Gandhi, Option C P.V. Ramasima Rao, Option D Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Answer. Option C P.V. Ramasima Rao. 20th question. In India, when both offices of President and Vice President happen to be vacant simultaneously, who will discharge the duties of the President? Option A Prime Minister, Option B Union Home Minister, Option C Speaker of Lok Sabha, Option D Chief Justice of India. Answer. Option D Chief Justice of India. 21st question. As per Constitution of India, the Legislative Assembly of a state consists of more than 500 and not less than 60 members. But which one of the following states has 32 members? Option A Delhi, Option B Sikkim, Option C Goa, Option D Puducherry. Answer. Option B Sikkim. 22nd question. In the Union Government, the Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the Option A Prime Minister of India, Option B Lok Sabha, Option C Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, Option D Union Cabinet. Answer. Option B Lok Sabha. If you like our videos, Please press the like icon, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you.